Hello learners, now we'll be learning about Power BI. Power BI is a software or very powerful software from Microsoft. It is used that it combines very powerful data analytics features as well as beautiful visualization functions, which is needed in the corporate sector. In this section, we will introduce Power BI Desktop, review the download and installation process, adjust default settings, and explore the Power BI interface and workflow. What are the goals for this section? We'll download and install Power BI Desktop and adjust the settings for our course project. We'll understand the role that Power BI plays within the broader Microsoft ecosystem. We'll explore core components of the Power BI desktop interface. We'll review the business intelligence workflow that will follow as we build our course project. Topics we'll cover: number one, introducing Power BI. Number two, a comparison between Power Business Intelligence versus Excel software from the same company, Microsoft. Third, various installation options. Fourth, adjusting settings. Fifth, interface and workflow. And sixth, helpful resources. So let's meet Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a self-service business intelligence platform which includes both desktop and web-based applications for connecting, modeling, and visualizing data. You can learn more at www.powerbi.microsoft.com. On the right-hand side of your screen, you might be seeing a four-quadrant graph. This graph is taken from Gartner. This is comparing all the analytics softwares and which companies are into analytics and which one are doing better. So there are four sections. One is challengers, who are challenging the industry; leaders, who are the leaders in the industry; niche players, players who are playing in their own niche, in their own areas of expertise; and visionaries. So as you go on the right hand side, it is showing that how much completeness of vision is going. On the vertical, you could see the ability to execute. You could see the Microsoft is coming on the top in this graph. It has good completeness of vision and ability to execute. That's why Power BI is considered as one of the most powerful softwares ever being used for data analytics.